Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos.
Downloading your Aadhar card, e-Aadhar, online is a quick process, provided your mobile number is registered with the UIDAI. The electronic copy is legally as valid as the physical one. Here is the step-by-step guide to downloading it via the official portal, Steps to download, via the MyAadhaar Portal. Visit the official website, go to the MyAadhaar Portal, select Download Aadhaar. Look for the Download Aadhaar option under the Services section. Choose your identification method. You can use any of the following Aadhaar number: your 12-digit UID enrollment ID, EID. The 28-digit number found on your enrollment slip includes the date and time, virtual ID, VEDA. The 16-digit ID generated via the UIDAI website. Enter details and CAPTCHA. Input your selected ID and the security CAPTCHA code shown on the screen. Send OTP. Click on Send OTP. A one-time password will be sent to your registered mobile number, MyAadhaar. Optional. You will see a checkbox asking, do you want a MyAadhaar? Select this if you want to hide the first 8 digits of your Aadhaar for privacy. Leave it unchecked if you want the full 12-digit number to be visible. Verify and download. Enter the OTP and click Verify and download. Your e-Aadhaar will be downloaded as a PDF. How to open the PDF? Password format. The downloaded PDF is password protected. The password is a combination of the first 4 letters of your name in capitals, as per Aadhaar, your year of birth in YYYY format. Example, if your name is Anish Kumar and you were born in 1999, the password would be ANISHKUMAR. Born in 1989, your password will be ANIS 1989. Alternative methods, MyAadhaar. App. Download the official app on Android or iOS, register your profile, and use the Download Aadhaar feature. DigiLocker. You can fetch and store a digital copy of your Aadhaar by logging into your DigiLocker account and selecting UIDAI from the Issued Documents section offline. If your mobile number is not linked, you must visit an Aadhaar Enrollment Center, Aadhaar Seva Kendra, to get a printout via biometric authentication. If you want me to make video on these 3 alternative methods, let me know. Thanks for watching. Keep like and subscribe for more future informative videos.